the key to becoming a really captivating speaker is to not be perfect. Number one,
Yes.
to be as real as you can be, like the kind of realism that you are with your friends.
Yes.
That's the whole goal. Just open and quirky. Quirky's
Yeah.
good.
Yes.
Quirky is okay.
It
It's
is
okay.
okay. We need it. We want it. And then imagine being able to be free, your quirkiness, your own uniqueness in the spotlight, right? You deserve that.
It's a beautiful thing because here's the deal. The deal is that as much as we think that we need to be perfect for people
Yeah.
to respect us,
Right.
it's the opposite. When we are in the spotlight and we're perfect,
Right.
we are not being ourselves. We're not being ourselves. We are being some other version. We
Yes.
are being an imposter, essentially.
The listeners have probably felt that before, where you're like, how come when you talk on stage or or on the mic, you're somebody different? I'm they're like, this is why. So what Lynn and I are talking about, this is what is happening. And this is why, the deeper meaning of what is going on when you get out to the stage or when you're presenting, you're becoming somebody different because you are trying so hard to be perfect. You're trying so hard to get it right. Every single word or all the content or pretend that you know it all. I mean, we just want you to be okay to be you.
In the end, that's why you were put on the planet.